Hi everyone. Today we will introduce the Orion by Estech Schematics PCB Bitmap software. PCB Bitmap software is an indispensable tool for phone board repairs. The circuits on the motherboard are intricate. Sometimes it is very difficult for us to recognize each circuit just by the appearance. Moreover, there is no way of knowing the contacts of each component. However, PCB Bitmap software distinguishes and marks each component on the motherboard. It can help us determine if the components have contact, which can substantially increase the efficiency of troubleshooting. We can get a lot of information from the board view software. Simply put, the PCB bitmap tells you the location and name of each component. For starters, we can know what the component is through the initial letter. R is the resistor, U is the chip, and L is the inductor. The color can tell you the function of each. Thank you for watching. We hope it helps. See you in the next video.